I literally forgot to vlog, but I've just finished basketball training, hence the absolute state, and it's literally pitch black because it's like 10:30 p.m. Hey guys, so I literally just showered and washed my hair because I felt absolutely grim after training. Oh my god. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday today, it's 11:40, I've not had my morning coffee yet, so I'm a little bit tired. Pretty much the plan for today is there's a lecture on like volunteering, so I'm gonna head to that at 1:15, and then I've got one lecture to just do in my own time, and some research to do, so I'm gonna do that in between now and that lecture. But for now I'm literally just gonna head to the men's school. The fit is actually just kind of plain, just like a black fit with my hoops and my Birks, but I just wanted to go for something comfy today. But anyways, after my lecture we're going to do some baking, so I'm very excited for that. And also I've been craving a Pepe's for like the longest time, so I think we're going to get like a fat Pepe's scran and watch some TV before we start baking. Hey guys, we're meant to be baking brownies, but I thought we'd have eggs and we didn't, so I'm just nipping to the corner shop to grab some eggs, and hopefully the brownies come out good. Kind of scared, not gonna lie. Hey guys, so I'm going to my basketball social wearing the Miami Heat jersey, and it's not actually mine, but yeah, it's a jersey social since it's for basketball. I'm so excited, but I am like over an hour late, but at least I'm going. Feeling the autumn vibes, guys. We literally got a fat breakfast, and I was craving like a full English for so long, so I had like a fat full English breakfast, and I've got a lecture at 2 and it's currently like 1:30, and my lecture's a microbiology lecture. I think it's the last one of this theme actually. Hey guys, we're going to Freshers there. Oh my god, there's Freshers. Yeah, we're getting the last of the freebies, so fingers crossed there's actually something left. Guys, Freshers Fair was so bad. Like everything had run out, which to be fair, we literally did go like on the last day and the hour it was closing, but yeah, not worth it to be honest. Hey guys, I'm just heading to 7 a.m. training, and the cold air on my face is actually waking me up, so I'm actually really excited to go. had basketball training, and yeah, it's like 8:40. I have a 9 a.m. practical. Taste. Okay. So chip. Like chip. Cheers. Bismillah. Damn, half it's falling out. It's okay. It's good. Hey guys, so I was meant to have teaching today 12 till 2, but my student rescheduled, so I'm going to be teaching 3:30 to 5:30. So right now I'm going to go to IKEA because I need to pick up a few things, and then yeah, see you later. Just finished my shift at the jewelry store. Guys, look, that's my future car. But anyway, it was honestly not too bad, but I am starving, so I can't wait to go home and eat. But yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up the week in my life, because I am literally going to bed after this.